Hey guys, welcome back. We're installing the fireplace today, and that's Mitt, by the way. So here we go. So here's our open fireplace right now. We had a lip here. So this morning, first thing this morning, I actually put mortar in here to bring it up because it's about 5/8 low. So now it's flat the front surface, so we don't have to use these adjuster bolts. You can see I got the angle grinder here because I gotta cut out that center support, and I'm gonna weld in a brace there and a brace there. So I'm gonna grind down bare metal, get some braces welded in so we can cut that out for the flue. So I'll see you in a minute. We are cutting the bracket pieces for the supports I'm going to weld into the fireplace.
Don't go towards the light.
Oh, a bit dark. This light keeps setting it off. Thank you. Can you turn that dial knob that has the 1, 2, 10?
Yeah.
Turn it to 2. Thank
Okay.
you. Here I am cutting out the metal flange to clear the flue that I'm putting in. As you can see with the angle grinder, so it has a little kick out for the smoke shelf, and so we're cutting that metal piece out. Did at 8 inches to clear the flue when we install it.
miles to anywhere, just to be elsewhere. I long to belong. Hitched a ride into the sunset, felt like Juliet, on my way to meet my lover, a dream uncovered. I long to belong, and we've got nothing to lose.
As you can see here, I'm vacuuming off the smoke shelf, getting all the concrete and brick that I chiseled out of there to make sure it's all clean. Cutting out the metal a little bit more just to make sure it's all going to clear, just to make sure I have a big enough opening that I can fish that flue through.
I'm indecisive, I'm hard to read. I'm like a fake, it's so hard to lead. Got a few tricks up my sleeve, oh you're decisive, know what you want. We both know my heart can't be bought. Maybe we're in it for the hunt, oh I see that you see me, that you need me, not to waste your time. I see that you see through, you're impatient, let the stars align. The way you've been staring at me wakes me up like the sun. I don't wanna cut you off, but I know this is such a rush. The way you move so free, put your body next to me. I don't wanna cut you off, this is such a rush. Like this game is so bittersweet. I feel alive, it's so hard to breathe. Will it be over if you got what you need? See now, ooh la 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 la. See now, ooh la 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 la. You do you and I'll do me. Oh, you do me and I'll do you. Now, ooh la 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 la. I see that you see me, that you need me, not to waste your time. I see that you see through, you're impatient, let the stars align. The way you've been staring at me wakes me up like the sun. I don't wanna cut you off. I know this is such a rush. The way you move so free, put your body next to me. I don't wanna cut you off, this is such a rush. See now, ooh la 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 la. See now, ooh la 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 la. You do you and I'll do me. Oh, you do me and I'll do you. Now, ooh la 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 la. I don't wanna cut you off. I know this is such a rush. The way you move so free, put your body next to me. I don't wanna cut you off. This is such a rush. This is such a rush.
Alright guys, so show you our progress here. So this I made to cap the inside of this hole from any drafts, and I was able to fish the flue down. I think it's called a flue. Stovepipe, flexible stovepipe. Now I just gotta take some measurements and see if we can get this bent correctly and in the right spot. So we're gonna do that. We'll get this installed. So it's been a couple of days since you did this. So
I'm just looking from this side.
the fresh air intake is here. Our hole is over here. So we need to chisel out more block to get this thing, our offset, for fresh air in there. So we're gonna pull this stove back out and then chisel away. Hey everybody, I just realized I never made a finished video showing what all went through and how we got it all connected. So last you saw, I was chipping out this area to fit this ductwork in. So we got a more flexible duct, 5-inch, did the hose clamp here, and then got stubbed in, and I'll show you the outside. There's our cat mitt. And then I re-mortared it all back in, so no air coming through or bugs or anything like that. And here's the top. So we had to get a little creative and get a adjustable elbow for a 6-inch ductwork for a stove, so we could adjust it enough to get that angle. And as you can see, I put that flashing in that I showed you. And then we also fire silicone caulked all the edges in the hole, just to try to keep it all airtight, keep it watertight in case something leaked up top. And yeah, so that's how we did that. We got these bolted in. We've been running it since last year. So it all turned out pretty good. Yeah, so we got the switch right there, turns the blower motor on and off a GFCI underneath the house. And then we just have the dial set for what temp it kicks on. And it just comes on automatic with a thermostat that is actually behind this, that's touching the stove itself. So yeah, I will put the cover plate back on because I had to take it off for this video. And I'll show you the finished product, and then I'll show you the air vent outside. So as you can see there's the vent. So that's a 5-inch vent duct coming outside for the cold air intake into the stove. So what we did is we chipped out the brick for the 5-inch duct, and then we put in Teflon screws to hold it. And then I did quadricaulk, just clear sealant around the edges so it won't leak. And that is it. It's got a little, came with a little screen in it, keep the critters out. That's it for the air intake. And then with that, we got also our new chimney cap, and it's got the bird blocking in it. As I showed you in the first video, I was gonna replace it. So we got that one. It just comes on and off real easy with a hose clamp style band. Just loosen it up, pops right off, so you can clean the chimney. And then that's it. See there's our finished as you can see there's our finished product with the cover over it. Turned out real nice. We went the little bit larger cover just to make sure it cleared, because that was the biggest stove we could fit in the opening we had for the existing fireplace. So we got a little bit bigger cover just to cover the gap. Yeah, that's it. Hope you're enjoying the ride, and please like and subscribe.